Hi
Starting.
everyone. This is Manish from Hyse Placement Service Private Limited and Hyse Digital Academy. We have started our organization on 2015. From last 7 years, we are successfully running our placements, and we have started Hyse training for Hyse Digital Academy, where we are training on different type of domains. Okay. Here we have in it two programs. First program is like 20,000 rupees to charge for 3 months training, internship, working on live project, certification, and job assistance with minimum 2.5 lakhs to 25 lakhs to be freshers. Okay. And we have online and offline sections, morning and evening shifts. For IT, it is just daily 2 hours technical program and 1 hour interview. The other program is it is 1 lakh charges where we train for 3 months and we'll be providing 100% job. Okay. So here team we have more than 7 plus companies all over the world who are hiring for freshers, and we have 20,000 plus active requirements for the freshers with minimum 2.5 lakhs to 25 lakhs of salaries. So here we have any trainers with minimum 10 plus of years experience who are working for Indian and abroad companies in different fields. And they are also having a practical knowledge, 5 plus years of practical knowledge on working on projects and 5 plus years of training knowledge. So we have around the 10 plus years experience trainers. And from last 3 years, we have 2019 we have started our Hyse Digital Academy program. Here we have trained more than 3,000 students in this from last 2.5 years. Okay, so here students, if you are interested for the digital marketing course, here we are providing the best digital marketing with Google Ads and WordPress. This will be for 3 months. Okay, so who are interested, we request you can check out the clear details of our counselor numbers in the below description. You can call them. They will fix an appointment. You can come to our office and you can just register here. Or you have any Google form. If you fill that, you will get a call from our counselor team. All the best, everyone. I request Mr. Kiran Garu to start up the demo.
Okay, sir. So I'm not seeing anyone here.
Sir, go ahead, sir. No issues. Recording
Oh,
is.
okay. So myself, Kiran, I'm having an experience of more than 13 years of experience in digital marketing. So today I just want to say how digital marketing is going to change your life and how it can be the best career for each and everyone. So if anyone is having any questions in between, you can raise your hand or you can ask me directly. So let's start with digital marketing. What is digital marketing? So can anyone see my screen? So first of all, we should understand what is digital marketing. Okay. And next is why people are going online is more important for us. And what are the benefits of digital marketing? First of all, the thing what you should understand is why people are moving to digital and what are the basic need for them to move. Okay. As everyone knows that because of Corona and because of COVID, most of the companies have affected a lot and most of the businesses has affected a lot because these companies or businesses are not online, they were running only offline till now. So till the COVID has affected, no one has recognized the importance of digital marketing. Now, as everyone is going online and working is also remote, that is the reason there is a lot of room for digital marketing. So when it comes to digital marketing, right, any student, like if someone is interested to learn, for example, for a software company, if you want to join, you should have a degree or you should have engineering, something else, right? But when it comes to digital marketing, it is not like that. It is depend on the basic degree what you have. Even though if you don't have your basic degree also, what you can do is like you can still do freelancing works. So the only thing is like how good you are in digital marketing and how good skills you are having. That makes the difference. Okay. If you're having good skills in digital marketing, you can work in any company, or else you can start up your own digital marketing agency. Okay. So when it is coming to that, so I'm going to discuss about each and every point what is needed for digital marketing, why people are going online, and benefits of digital marketing. In the same way, what does digital marketing consist of, and what is SEO, pay-per-click, social media marketing, and digital marketing measurements. The thing what you people should understand is like why I am learning digital marketing is more important. So irrespective of any other course, this course is entirely different. Here, the way how you grab the things and the way how you adapt the technology from your end will helps you to grow your career in ladder. Okay, on the top. So don't think that this is completely technical. Okay, so people without technical knowledge can also learn digital marketing and they can become experts. Okay, trust me, like when you people will join this course, what happens is you will get an awareness of this program, why we are conducting this program, and how this program is going to change your careers. That is more important. So we basically go completely 50% practical and 50% is theoretical. Theoretical is something, if you are getting okay any doubts in the theory, okay, we are there to help you in explaining each and every point several times. But our main core principle is like every student who join this course should be an expert by the end they leave this training. Okay, that is our main course. And if you have any questions related to digital marketing, you are free to reach out to us at any point of time. It is not like any other training institute where once the training is completed, they will no more concern. But we are not like that. We are just like we will train the student and even we'll train the we'll do the placement also for the student. But it only depends upon how much of interest you people are showing. So let's dive into the next one. So you should understand what is digital marketing. So in simple, only one thing you can understand is like selling of any product through online or selling of any services through online is called as digital marketing. Okay. So as we should have a specified definition which is accepted worldwide, there are a lot of definitions coming and changing the meaning of digital marketing. So in a simple process, what I want to say is like digital marketing is a process of building and maintaining customer relationship through online activities to generate sales or to capture customers and that are searching for the internet for answers. Okay, it's a simple thing. See, if you don't know anything, right, what you do, you just go and search in Google, right? That is as simple as that. So when you are searching on Google, how Google can show the required things because there is a lot of algorithms which are going in the back end, which has to answer your question which you have typed. So if the answer which is coming on the screen is at least 50 to 80% is what you are asked for. Okay. So in that case, then you people will also show interest in searching in that. So we have a lot of search engines. Okay. Yahoo search engine, Bing search engine, Google search engine, like a lot of search engines are there. So whatever you do, that happen only through online. Okay. So you should understand. So anyone have any idea why people are going online? If you're not knowing anything, no need to take any tension because I'm going to explain you each and everything, okay, where you are going to become the experts in digital marketing. Okay. So in general, why people are going online. So before that, we should understand how the digital marketing works and what the basic history of that and how it is working. Like, okay. So when it comes to marketing department, it is grouped by types of communication. Okay. Marketing is of two types. One is traditional and other one is digital. So is everyone is aware of this, right? So when it comes to traditional, traditional is having more than 90% of penetration, or you can even say 100% of penetration in the people. Okay. Now, after the COVID, the percentage of digital has grown up to 40% to 60%. Okay. Previously, the percentage was very less. It comes to around 19 to 20% globally. But now, after COVID, it has entirely changed the culture of people working in organizations. So, because of this reason, the demand for digital marketing has increased a lot. Okay, so now in the market, companies are not able to get the right candidate for them. See, there are a lot of companies who are looking for digital marketers, but the bad sad thing is like we don't have the trained people, even it is freshers. Okay, we don't have that. So the thing is like we should have the main is like a trained person. Okay, so if you are having a trained person, what happens is like they can easily accept you members, and they can train you in a different way, because it is not guaranteed that every company requires the same set of skills. Okay, what company looks for is like, is this candidate can be trained on basis of digital marketing. So if we are taking a candidate who's having a knowledge in digital marketing is more important. Okay, so before doing that, I'll tell you like what all you can do with digital marketing and how people are interested in showing digital marketing. So if you have any questions in between, you can ask. Any doubts? So industry, you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so are you aware of what is digital marketing is all about? Any basic thing, you know? Here our primary goal is like when we are going giving our trainings, right, we expect like 100% like participation. The thing is like the more you answer, the more you get the solutions for it. Okay, that is more important. So when it comes to marketing, it is of two types. One is traditional marketing and other is digital marketing. So everyone is aware of traditional marketing, right? Public relationships and offline advertising. And when it comes to digital, it is SEO and social media. So when it comes to SEO on social media, there are a lot of things are there which are going. Okay, every day the definition of digital marketing is changing, and a lot of platforms are coming into picture for showing a lot of difference for the end user. Okay, so digital marketing is all about promoting a business using digital channels like internet, website, blog, social media platforms, video marketing, mobile marketing, email marketing, and the list is huge. Okay, so that is never a concern. The only thing is what I'm getting out of the course and how this course is going to give me the best in my career. Okay, so are you people comfortable in English or Telugu? So you people are comfortable in Telugu or English? Okay, no problem. See, even if you have any communication problem, you can just ask me your questions in Telugu also. I'm ready to answer each and everything for you. Okay. So coming to digital marketing here, I will just give a glimpse of it. Okay, what all comes under it. It comes under like search engine, website, social media, emails, and apps. So there are a lot of things what you people should be aware of. Okay, so if you are going to for search engine optimization (SEO), that is an entirely different stream. Okay, and when it comes to website, it is called as web development. Okay, web development is just a part of digital marketing, but it is not the core. Okay, if you have web development skills, it will be an advantage for you. As simple as that. And when it comes to social media, emails and apps, when it comes to social media, Google Ads are there, Facebook is there, LinkedIn is there, and yeah, YouTube is there. In addition to that, we have Twitter, okay, and other social media platforms. Snapchat is there, but those all comes under later. That, but most of the things like students are interested to learn Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Okay, and when it comes to Google Ads and Facebook Ads, I can explain you in the later slides. Okay, and after one is like email marketing, and others is apps. Okay. When it comes to apps, apps also comes under web development in that mode. Okay, development structure. But apps is something which you can promote. Okay, so if you learn Google Ads or Facebook Ads, you should be aware of how you can promote your product through video or through mobile. Okay, that is more important. So let's dig into the next thing. So I will come back to this slide. Okay. So this is a basic thing what everyone knows. So what is digital marketing? I don't want to people to get any underthoughts of these things. Like I want you people also to do research from your end, because if you are doing a research from your end, you will get to learn more and you can explore more. That is only needed for us. So once you explore more, right, that is something which you are learning, which can't be forgotten by at any point of time. Okay, so as everyone knows what is digital marketing, in very simple terms, I'm telling marketing means communicating the right message to the right people using right medium. So this is accepted worldwide, which is called as marketing. So once this happens, if you are aware of marketing, and if you go and search in web, okay, and search anywhere, you will get hundreds of definitions based on services, based on products. The definition of marketing will changes. Okay, but in simple, you should understand that marketing means communicating the right message to the right people using the right medium. Okay. So when it comes to overview, why people are going, I already said you, but at the same time, what I want you people is like just to do research online. See, for here, like if we are training you for 1 hour, and even you people have to at least spend 1 hour to do research. So once you start doing research, you will love the subject first. Okay, you tend to learn more. And the next day, what happens is like you will be having a set of questions, okay, in your mind to ask us. So we are happy to take n number of questions. There is no compulsion or there is no limit that you should ask only these number of questions. It's not like that. You can ask hundreds questions also. See, if one candidate is asking 10 questions or 20 questions, at the same time, others are also getting rectified for that answer. Okay, for example, we have a very limited number of students because we want to concentrate on each and every individual. So we have a team of 10 people or 20 people, not more than that. So the thing is like we take one-on-one with every individual. So one every day one candidate will spend at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes to understand what is understanding level of digital marketing and what he is expecting from us. That is more important. So in this way, every student will get an opportunity to get clarified their doubts. That is more important for us. See, our main goal is not to take the classes for 2 months or 3 months. Our main aim is to make you experts, because if you want to become an expert, at least it will take some time. Okay, so in this time we will give you the training at the same time, not only theoretical and even practical. Okay, if you are doing your best, okay, and you will also get an opportunity to get selected for the top reputed companies, because we are having tie up with more than 170 plus companies. Okay, over in India itself, and then in the same way we have n number of multinational companies. So if you take the subject correctly and if you show the interest properly and if you take the maximum out of this training, you are going to benefit it a lot. Okay. If you have any questions in between, you can raise your voice. Okay. So you should understand why people are coming to digital and what is that they are lacking in traditional marketing. Okay. So if you have any questions again, you can ask me. So when it comes to traditional marketing and digital marketing, what happens is like in digital, you can put the customer in control. Okay. It provides convenience for you, it drives brand loyalty, it reduces selling cycle, it builds your brand, it is measurable, it is cost effective. The thing is like if you want to target a region, you can target only that region for your ads. But when it comes to traditional marketing, it is not like that. For example, if you're taking a newspaper, right? If it's giving a newspaper, it will be circulated in any location. So even if you target one location, that will be circulated everywhere. Okay. And one more thing is like even you can't ask that ad to be delivered only in one location, right? When it comes to the newspaper, it covers almost most of the locations. But in digital marketing, you can go as deep as even the pin code. Okay, you can just only target even the pin code members or even 5 kilometers range. So it depends on how much of range you want, or else which country all over the world, any place, any part of the place which you want to target. That is more important in digital marketing. So if this is happening, you will have more control over your budget. So based on your budget, see, you can do digital marketing services for 5,000. Okay, you can spend for 5,000 for advertising, and even you can spend 5 crores or 10 crores also for this. The only thing is like how much of reach you are expecting and what is the result you are expecting is more important. Okay, so this is what I said in the previous slide. So if someone is not able to understand, this will help them to understand again. Okay. So here the main objectives are like you can reach the right audience. So whomever you want. See here even the audience whom you're selecting based on gender bias also you can select whether you want to show your ad only to male or you want to show your ad only to female. You can do that. Okay, and you can easily engage. Okay, based these ads will get delivered to them based on their interest and what they're searching for. Okay, so based on that you can engage the user through your ad, and that will turns out to be a lead for you, and that conversion will help you to get the result desired what you are expected. Okay. And we can motivate your audience to take actions. Okay, once you target any members, so for those members you can do whatever you want. How much of time you can show them is based on what you want. Do you have any issues? That is more important. So if any point of time, if you're having any questions, you can ask me. Okay, and you can ensure the best out of this training. And coming to these services, there are a lot of things, because as this is a demo, I don't want to rush each and everything, because I can tell you what is important for you members and how you can build your career. Okay, our aim is to understand the student requirement. Okay, it is not like because if you are getting 10 members, everyone have their own set of skills and everyone will have their own level of understanding. So we want to make everyone on the same page. So by end of the course, the level of absorption of the skills for every individual should be the same. The reason is whoever is coming for learning digital marketing should be very happy when they are leaving out of this training. Okay, they should go out of this training with a job offer letter in their hand. So we promise you that we can do that, so that based on our training, you will get the best out of it. Okay. So in understanding those things, you should be aware of what is Google Ads and how Google Ads is going to work and what are the process of doing it. Okay. When it comes to Google Ads, like anyone, if you don't know anything, will directly go and search in search engine, right? So everyone is understand. So here, when you people are going and searching, you can see the image over here, right? The paid search as well as organic search. So the paid search ads will be coming on the top, the first top four and the bottom three. And the other one on the right side also, you can see the sponsored ads. Okay, this is how people will understand your business if you want to show, because initially previously it is like only organic and after that it used to be paid. But based on situations, what now happened is paid marketing is taking a priority role, because there are a lot of competition between every organization for each business to business. Okay, so for that what is happening is like every company is pumping money for the spend for their ads. Okay, so you should understand what is the client requirement first. Once you understand the client requirement, you can make the media plan. Okay, so client expectations is this. So just to understand what is media plan. Okay, so media plan is nothing like See, if a client is coming and saying that I have a budget of around 40,000 or 50,000, you should make a plan like what are the services are included for that amount. For example, if a client comes says that he is ready to uh, spend around 50,000 for his digital marketing services. So what you will be have to think is like in the media plan, you should allocate how you are utilizing that 50,000. That is called as media plan. For example, if you are having 50,000, you can say that your service charge for running these ads will be 20,000. In addition to that, so most of the time when we are preparing the media plan, we have to exclude our service charges. We have to tell the client that, okay, for example, 50,000 is what client is interested. You can say that 20% is your service charge and 30,000 is what you are going to use it for promotions. So you can say like 10,000 you want to spend it for Google ads and 10,000 you want to spend it for Facebook ads and 5,000 for search ads like SEO, okay, and 5,000 for affiliate marketing. So you have to mention those things and you have to give it to the client. If once the client is happy with what you're saying, then you can go ahead and proceed. Okay. Any doubt so far? So whatever we are going to have, this is called as PPC, which is called as pay per click. Okay. So whatever you are showing your ad and what is the amount it is getting utilized, it all comes under PPC. Okay. There are a lot of advantages are there and disadvantages are there. So these advantages and disadvantages I'm going to explain you once we have the training. Because if I say all these things, you will be get overloaded. Okay. And what are the mediums we are having for using the digital services, right? And as I said before itself, so here we are going to say how the social media marketing is helpful for you. Okay, because we can target the right traffic, return on investment is there. At the same time, based on your skills, you can do. So we don't think like it does not require specific specialization or vast technical skills. It is only how you learn, how the trainer is saying to you, and how you are accepting it. Okay, and ability to go viral before thereafter high visibility. So any video you can make it viral. There are a lot of hacks are there to make your video viral, but this should be ethical. Whatever you're doing should be ethical because if you are not following ethical policies on Google Ads and Facebook Ads, your account will get blocked by the service provider, either Google or Facebook. So whatever you're doing, this should be in compliance with those policies. Okay? So that you should be more aware. So advantages, disadvantages, we can take you once we're having training. Okay. If you're having any questions, you can ask me. So if you want especially to go into Google Ads, we can go and explain you what is Google Ads, how the UI is all about, okay, and what all are required for you to understand. So before that, you should know how the UI looks, okay. For that, you have to go and search ads.google, okay. I'm just opening one of my clients account. You can see. So this is my client's account. So they are into completely test series. Okay. So they can opt for the subscription models. Whatever course you want, all the courses will be available in that. So currently I'm not running any ads on that. Previously we ran it and now we are only doing organic growth for that. See, for learning digital marketing, you should be aware of when you have to do paid services and when you are supposed to do organic. Okay, it is not like every time if you go only for paid, you will not get anything. So this is what we call it as Google Ads UI. Okay, this UI and definition and how this works and what all is needed for you is something which I'm going to explain. Okay, there are a lot of things are there in Google Ads. See what is the overview, what are the recommendations, what we get, what are insights, what are campaigns, what are auction insights. These are only few parts. Okay, by saying it, if you want to become an expert, you should even know all these things. How we have to do the planning, how we have to do the audience management, and if you have any data to edit, how to use the bulk actions, and how you can measure your campaign setup, campaign, and how you can set up the campaigns, and what will be the billing. So these all are very important to understand. So we are going to explain you each and every tab in Google Ads. Okay, and other ads are also there, that also we are going to explain if the time permits. In addition to that, what you're going to get is like how to get prepared for the interview. That is more important. So our specialty in training is this. So when we are saying any concept for the student, we will tell that how a question will be framed by the interviewer and how you are supposed to answer that question. Okay, we even say that if a this the interviewer is going to ask one question, okay, and what is the answer he expects and what is the answer he gets. Okay, the thing is like out of 10 people attending an interview will answer plus or minus the same answer. Okay, and we will tell the student that this is the answer. Most out of 10, 9 people will be saying the same answer. So we will train the student that you are never supposed to say that answer. Okay, we will tell the student that this is the answer we have to say. That is how you will create an impact to the interviewer. So once you say this answer, you're out of the box. Okay. Till now he was hearing the 9 answers are almost the same. But the 10th answer, when he hears your answer, he puts some more interest. Okay, this is somewhat different. Let's dig into more. Then he or she are going to ask you different questions. Okay. This is what is the impact what you should get. So once you get that impact, right, you are in the list of selected candidates. Okay. For example, I'm going to explain each and everything in this, and they will ask you like policy manager. What is the policy manager in Google Ads? Okay. So out of 10 members, 9 people will say, see, the policy manager is something like these are the policies which are used by each and every advertiser. So, and every advertiser has to follow the Google policies. This is the answer. Most 100 people, like 10 people are, how many people are going for the interview? 90% to 99% will say the same answer. Now, how we are going to train the students? If the interviewer is asking about what is policy manager, we'll ask them to say, see, policy manager is nothing but the policies which are aligned, which are compiled in compliance with Google. Okay, the set of instructions which are given by Google. So saying that, you should even say an example to that. So for example, in short, what I can tell you is like based on Google policies, we are not supposed to use few terms when we are creating an ad. Okay, so I just want to take an example if the time permits for you. Like that, if you ask the interviewer, okay, he will be get impressed by your answer and he will say, okay, go ahead. So then you can tell an example of your service. So I'm having a client like this, and he is into, for example, into hospitals. Okay, so they want more patients to get enrolled for their plans. The plans will be health checkups, x-rays, and everything. Okay, so when he is or she is doing the digital marketing for them, the terms are the words which are used, okay, are should be compliant with Google policies. Okay, for example, few words are accepted in India, but those words are not accepted in US. Okay, every country, every state, every place have different set of policies. Okay, so you should be aware of those policies first. So when you are saying that, you should tell the interviewer that there are a lot of policies out there, and every policy is not the same for each and every country. It depends on country to country. Okay, if you say that point, he or she will think that okay, this person has done some ads and or he has little experience in real time. So the chances of selections are high. Okay. So we will tell you what are the hacks you can do, how you can set it up, and to get the basic. See, learn one thing first. Okay, whatever you're doing, it should be ethical. Okay. If you're following anything wrong, your account is going to get suspended. So make sure that that will not happen. Okay. So there are a lot of options are there. All these options I'm going to explain you once we have the training. Okay. Each and every setting, what all you can do, how you can do, how you can get the best out of it. And what I want to say here is like what are benefits you will get out of this training is more important. Once you started learning the digital marketing, there are two options. One is you can go for a job, or number two is you can be a freelancer. In terms of freelancer, again, you can do one more thing is like you can set up your own agency. Okay. You can start up your own agency and you can work. And most of the people will be thinking that only if I learn only digital marketing, how can I get a job or how can I do freelancing, right? So those things will be explained by us. Okay, we will tell you. So you should not worry about those things because we are going to even train you on web development also. Okay, once you learn that web development also, it will add value for you this course, right? So you can develop your own website and you can promote your own website. So only just by promoting your website, okay, write the content, you can even earn money through your pages. Through your website itself, you can earn in lakhs. How is entirely different? See, whenever, if for example, if you go to any newspaper site, for example, if you take Sakshi newspaper or Inadu or Times of India, go and see their website. You can see n number of ads. Okay, a lot of ads are there. So for these ads, the advertisers are paying to the publishers. So when I'm going to do this training, I'm going to explain you each and every terminology. What is publisher? What is advertiser? Okay, these are more important for you to understand because when we are saying the terms, these terms will be there the full training. Okay, we are going to use only those terms which is accepted by global. Okay, then even you can also understand that. So creating your own website and monetizing your website, you can earn income, or you can develop your website for your clients also if you learn the web development with our course. In addition to that, what you're going to get is like you can even learn how you want to promote your website. For example, if you give the same website for an outside agency to develop and to advertise, it goes around 50,000 to 1 lakh. But if you learn this course, okay, it will be almost free for you, right? So that is the value added thing. You should understand in that perspective that it will add value for you members. As simple as that. So if you learn web development in that, if you build a website for any client, the minimum will be 5,000 to 7,000. Okay, minimum charge what you can spend. Okay, if you become an expert in that, there is nothing going to stop you. In the same way, when you're learning this digital marketing also, if you're getting 3 or 4 clients, good clients, it's enough. You can earn up to 1 lakh. Even if you take 5 clients, okay, each client, if you take service charges 20,000 also, per month you can earn around 50,000. Okay, and even the worst condition, don't expect them high. Even the worst conditions, if you get 2 clients also, you are going to get around 40,000. Okay, at the initial time after you complete the course, if you are getting a package of 40,000, you can understand. Or else, if you don't want to get into that also, you can directly join an MNC company. And most of the MNC companies are paying around 30,000 as per the current market. Okay, so that is what the advantage you are going to get. So when it comes to digital, again, in Google Ads, what you're going to learn is the search ads, display ads, YouTube ads, and mobile ads. So even if you're not aware of anything, at least if you're getting expertise in any of these, in search ads, display ads, YouTube ads, and universal mobile campaign ads, you can earn like anything. Okay, when it comes to YouTube, so we will tell you how you can create a content on YouTube and how you can create your account and how you can monetize that account. Okay, as everyone now people are going to YouTube for required information and for entertainment. If you can create that content, you can even earn through YouTube. Okay, there are a lot of YouTubers now. People are making it as full time job for them. Previously, people used to work in one company and they used to prepare content. Now, after getting knowing that a lot of income they are earning, because a basic YouTuber also is earning around 20 to 30,000 with the content. Okay, if you are getting more subscribers, you can earn up to 1 lakh. It is not only with ads, and even promotional ads will be there. Okay, if you're having more subscribers, more than 1 lakh, advertisers will reach out to you and they will say you like just promote our product, and they'll give 20,000 to 30,000 for their ad in your video. Okay, so for every video, at least if you charge the worst condition 5,000 also. Okay, on an average per week, if you can create 2 videos with the best content, okay, per video you are going to get 5,000. That means per week you are going to earn 10,000. It is only through affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm not saying about the monetization. Monetization amount is entirely different again. So that also you can earn. Even though promotional ad we're getting for 5,000, in addition to that, even you can place ads on your channel, and through those ads also you're going to earn income. So roughly, even if you're conducting minimum to minimum 2 videos per month, per week, or 1 video per week, okay, on an average you can do 5 videos per month, and the promotional amount will be 5,000 per month, means like 25,000 you will get. In addition to that, through YouTube also you will get 10 to 20,000. So you can make around 35,000. See, these are the only startup level I'm telling you. So if you're getting expertise, no one can stop you. You can earn in lakhs. So for getting that, you should understand the basic terminology of each and everything. Okay, we are there to train new members. If you have any doubts at any point of time, you can reach out to us. Okay. So you can reach out to our counselors regarding the other details. Okay. Thank you all.